There is nothing wrong. This bill is good. It will go to public participation. Parliament, it will come back to Parliament. We will look at the committee of the whole House. We will do it at the second reading. And I urge my colleagues, the leader of minority, because he's the only one who has been confirmed by NASA. I want to go on record. The rest of the other leadership have not been confirmed. And that one, Juliet agrees with me. The only person confirmed by the NASA coalition in the leadership is Honorable John Bandi as a minority leader. The rest are mark timing somewhere. So, Mr. Speaker, I ask my colleagues, please help me reduce this. We move the country forward. We work together. We understand. If we feel, I'm sure even the people want to introduce something that have been left out in this bill at the committee, at the stakeholders meeting. Let us do and make sure all that we're doing is to make sure the election is done in accordance with the Constitution, in a very clear method, that if the transmission is there, but manual system, the physical presentation of documents is provided. Thank you.